yeah, I think I made it.
I think
Hopefully we're not late. Hey, Mason, get back over here.
I'm just getting my mommy's food.
You don't need those. Get back over here.
Hold on. I'll be back.
No, you stay here. Okay, I guess we'll start without him.
So like me.
For all I know. Okay, I think he's back. So what's up, everybody? Play-Doh Creator Kids here.
I can't.
First of
say
all,
myself.
before we start this, we're going to introduce ourselves. My name is Mark,
My name is Sienna, and this is Mason right here.
the weird guy without the shirt on.
Yeah. Don't worry about it.
So what we're basically doing is we're going to make stuff with Play-Doh on this channel.
Are you
Sorry,
back?
I need just a little bit of water. We're going to make it with this beautiful Play-Doh. And then when we get enough money, we'll go to the store and buy some more Play-Doh. But that's going to be a bit later on. But let's get straight into this. But I'm going to move the camera so
Yes.
y'all guys can see the angle better.
I'm going to open the
Oh yeah, guys, we also have a lot of other supplies. Like this one, we can make yummy spaghetti.
Oh, here.
This is not edible.
Oh, here.
Whatever. This is not edible,
I need
guys.
the doctor.
Okay, why didn't you just ask me and I'll just like begrudgingly give it to you?
I don't.
What's your question, Franco? Okay,
Shut up.
Mason,
You're not supposed to say
Mason,
that. This is kid friendly. This means that you're not supposed to be saying bad words. And that's a bad word.
to be giving romantic advice right now.
Okay, next time don't say that. Okay, I won't.
Valentine
Thank
Cassadine.
you.
This is a. Oh yeah, guys, we're also going to fire people. Like these. One of us can. Wait, I'm the person who made this account, so I can fire and hire people.
Because I'm fired and I can melt things.
Well, but Luke's not convinced.
But
So basically, I cannot be fired because I kind of made this account.
Now,
yeah,
I understand
you can fire us.
Valentine was a risk.
I could fire you today. On the first day of the job, you guys got fired.
That would be like real. We'll just be like, what? What did I do? Yes.
There's only going to be 3 of us on this channel, so we're going to figure out how to spend the money evenly.
You should be
What the heck are you doing?
You broke it? He broke it.
You broke Oh my god. Okay, I want to make a squid right now.
You want to make a squid right now?
Like or an octopus.
Look, be careful, Sienna. Okay, I fixed it. Don't worry. Look, it's brand new.
Good as new.
Get us new.
Or I could make a jellyfish.
Make a jellyfish.
Jellyfish, that's blue.
That is totally weird.
How many tentacles does a
I don't know. Look on
1,
YouTube.
2, 3,
Duh.
4, 5. Okay. Okay, right now this is just a
Look, I made a
jellyfish.
dolphin. Look, guys, look. Ooh.
That looks like hair mostly.
I know.
I'm gonna take out this white and I'm gonna make eyes for the skeleton. Wait, why did I say skeleton? This is not Minecraft. See, I'm used to doing Minecraft, but I can't do Play-Doh.
Skeleton. I know, I call it too. I call it's skeleton too. Which is just like skeleton. Oh my goodness, there's a skeleton. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we're gonna have a big party for cleaning up.
Yay, big buddy.
Clearly, I'm frozen out.
I'm kind of damp.
And so will I. You don't have to worry about it. I'm fully prepared.
What did your spit out?
Ow, bruh. Alright.
This is not Minecraft.
And tell me something ridiculous.
You're acting like Steve right now. You're acting like you're lying. You spit in Minecraft. No.
This doesn't look anything like a jellyfish.
It's possible.
The only that looks like Octodad. Dang it. This looks one of the characters from Octodad, or that looks like Cookie Monster.
I can't see myself. Yeah, but in squid version.
Yeah.
A squid first.
Look at that. Oh yeah, guys, we'll take suggestions from the comment section below, so what we can make next. But it has to be kid friendly. It can't be something like Guns or Skyrim.
So it's gonna be a monster. Totally not such.
Or we can make Minecraft. That's kid friendly.
Yeah, Minecraft. Minecraft. Yeah. I can make mine.
I think the hardest thing that we can make is the creeper.
Let me have that quick.
Because
I was gonna think the cow. Let me have that quick. Because we need to get brown. Let me have that quick. Let me have that quick. Have what? Have that. This?
I pretty much forgot where all these things go. There's literally stuff everywhere.
You have done me with the worm.
Is that all you tell me every time I see you now, mijo?
Apparently, yes. Alright.
You just need to put it in the right section.
Where's my grandma?
She's in the living room. Okay.
Look here, so much here. Wait, yay!
Look at this big ball of yellow that's mixed with orange and nasty colors. Oh yeah, guys, we got mad so we couldn't make a mess with our table.
I need something to do this. Yeah, we got mad. I need something. You need to put Play-Doh in.
I need one of those rollers as well.
You need to put a bunch of
Play-Doh. Oh yeah, guys, we have scissors.
A bunch of Play-Doh in there.
We have scissors. Watch out.
Squish it. Then you need to push it hard. Yeah. Push it hard.
So
make your hand shake. Sugar. Okay, listen. Good.
yeah.
Then you hold it up. Voila.
Yeah.
How do you make alien?
This is hard. I'm literally trying to flatten out this, but there's so much of this that it's hard to flatten it.
I know it.
Oh, what about an ocelot?
Oh, that would be hard. Like trying to get the shape and stuff.
We have stuff like knives, but not real knives, that came with this Play-Doh that we could use. Yeah.
Can't use them right now. Okay. But we need the knife. Stand up. We need the knife.
We could use a knife since it doesn't do any harm.
Hey look! Stop!
There is brown.
But in the light version.
Oh, here it is. There's none. We're already saying weird things on the first video, like, I want the knife. Oh my God, look at that whole clump of yellow.
Here, Mason, who's that?
It smells salty.
Mine is gonna be lost. Ooh, I fail. Look. I'm gonna make the eyes.
I'm gonna make a burrito. Like a Chipotle burrito.
What are eyes? Can I use some yellow, please? I want to make a taco.
There's a lot of yellow, so feel free.
Thank you. I don't have eyes. I don't have some eyes.
Elizabeth, would you have Dr. Andrea follow up with Mr. Newton? I've adjusted his meds.
Sure.
Whoa!
Everything okay, Franco?
You almost made me bump into mom.
Between you and me, Franco has his foibles, but nothing that
Okay.
makes him unemployable. Or unworthy of a date.
I'm gonna add in the peppers.
Well, I can't discuss the contents of our conversation, but I can tell you what I observed. Franco was quite taken.
Oh yeah, guys, you only have a few more
And based on your
things to
reaction,
build.
I feel the same way.
You know what? I'm gonna. Okay, I made this burrito.
Anything I can do.
Mine is a zombie. Cool.
How does that look? Like?
Oh, stop it.
Okay, that's my little burrito. Kind of look like a tamale or something.
Honey.
Going somewhere? Yes, I'm taking steps out of town. Step on it.
Oh yeah, guys, we're also busy with school. Alright, we're busy with school, so there's probably not gonna be a lot of uploads. But we're gonna try our best to upload as best as we could. Okay, guys, we're gonna leave this episode here. I think they're gonna continue building off camera, but I'm gonna stop. So, guys, if you want to watch another one, then like this video and
To watch another one. And to watch
play with Play-Doh and craft more with Play-Doh and bye.